one thing to talk about here is that if you're not trading with confidence in these zones, you could really get caught up in churn here on your account because you're indecisive about the direction of the market and the trade that you want to take. We could have made money on both sides. We could have made money on the long side here, on fading up to this, and the short side. It's just that I see a higher probability that it's going to continue to roll over here, especially now that it's lost on the, this looks like an overshoot on the RDA of the actual big tick chart here. We'll see though. It's not really, it's not cooperating. It doesn't want to sell off. One of the things that you can do if you want to get out of further tunnel vision, obviously, is you can look and say, okay, what's happening with the underlying? You can see here, it's almost losing momentum there. It's still looking to maybe do a VWAP test. I think that's what it's trying. That's why it's skittish, because it's either going to sell off to a lower zone here, which is down here, probably around 115, or it's going to do a VWAP test. That's what it's really setting up for. So really, it's on the bubble of which one it wants to do. It's just a matter of, can you ensure that you're not caught in churn here? So here we go. I think we're part of this larger trade now, this larger sell-off. Let's cancel all of our positions now, and let's reset all of our trailing stops now that we're on the right side of this trade here. So we'll do, I'm going to give it enough room here, hit the level. So we're in 25 lots. And let's just give it enough room just to kind of play around. And then we'll do one down here in profit so that we're early warned if it gets. Now we are hitting the actual momentum check on chart 4. Like I said, we're looking for a little bit lower test, maybe a break of that. We do have an RSI signal there on chart 4, so let's see if we can glean something from that. So we have a red, green, red. So this might mean that this overall sell-off area here is going to be a deeper sell-off. Let's see here. We do have a reaction. We expect a reaction once it hits this level. See if we can eke out at least 15 grand on this trade. That's what we're looking for.